One second. So, good morning once again, everyone. In the last class, we discussed exercise 9.3. I hope all of you have done the questions of 9.3. Anyone having any doubts in 9.3? Any doubts? Please ask. If you have any doubts, please ask so that I can start. So, do we have to write this? What? This is your classwork only, na? You have to write only. I think all of you have done 9.3 easily. It is not that tough. Now the next topic is multiplying. Okay, Hideshi is giving a doubt. Question number 5, B part. Question 5, B part. Uh, Hiteshi, let's see. In 9.3 only a doubt came. Question number 5, B part. Let us solve this. It is saying add 2x. Class, please solve this. Z minus x minus y and 2y z minus y minus x. Please solve this. We have to add these two. So you can write like this. In bigger bracket 2x z minus x minus y plus 2y z minus y minus x. Now, before solving, we need to solve the internal issues. So we have to open this bracket. So the answer is, Gursharan, you are asking or telling the answer? So you have to open it by distributive property. By distributive property means this 2x will multiply with this z, then minus sign will come. This multiply with x, this multiply with y. So 2x into z, then minus sign will come. Then again 2x into x, again minus sign will come. 2x into y. Then we have a plus sign. Our next kingdom is this one, 2y into z, then minus sign will come, 2y into y, again minus sign will come, 2y into x. This much, Hiteshri. After that, just solve them. So 2xz, okay, Rachit, you are correct. I think Smridhi, Rishu Sharma, okay. Aryan, okay, beta, just see, I'm solving it here. You can compare with this. 2x square minus 2xy plus 2yz minus 2y square minus 2yx. Now we are ready for the main competition. So we can open these brackets now. So we will get 2xz minus 2x square minus 2xy. As outside we have a plus sign, so no sign will change inside. It will remain the same they were having earlier. Now, just see for the like terms. I think there is no other exit, so it will remain the same. It will remain the same. Just saying only one like term is there. Which one? Okay, this one. I think we have done this question. I think we have done this question. Hiteshri, beta, I think we have done. Okay, plus 2yz minus 2y square. These are like terms, they will be added. We have done this already, then why you are asking? It was not clear that day. You should have asked that day only. Now let's start the next topic. Next topic is multiplying a polynomial by a polynomial. Now it is clear. Okay, good. So next topic is multiplication of a polynomial. Okay, Guru Sharan is giving the answer now. Okay, Guru Sharan, but you can compare with that. Good. With polynomial. Now, in this case, earlier we have seen a monomial was easily getting distributed over the polynomial. Now we have a polynomial and a polynomial. So first, let's start with a what you say, two binomials multiplication. So first, see this one. Please tell me the answer of this example. 2x plus 3y into 3x minus 2y. Please tell me answer of this multiplication of two binomials. This is not similar. In this case, you have to understand how to distribute. I have given you an example already based on this. In I think in the last to last class, I gave you that example in which we were multiplying two binomials. Please tell me how to multiply two binomials. Fast. Or if you have no idea, you can tell that also. But I think I have given you an idea. Okay, Harshul is saying it is once again 6x square minus 4xy minus 9yx minus 6y square. Okay. Rahil, Pranjal, Divanshu, Vanshika, Kartike, Aviral, Soham, waiting room. Okay. Gursharan, we will add the like terms. Okay. Okay, 6x squares minus 4xy plus 9. Okay, but just you are saying it is plus. Aryan is saying this 9yx should be plus. Kriti is saying 6x square plus 5xy minus 6y square. So I think it is positive only. So please take Rahil, but I have taken, no issue. But be on time. Why people are late in class? Now see, Giriraj, something wrong. Something wrong. Let's see how to solve this question. I've told you can take any of the bracket as the main one and you can open that. To open that means you have to multiply this thing in the complete bracket and this thing in the complete bracket. My answer is same as Harshul. The mid one is positive. Okay. Class, try to understand. We have learned in normal multiplication like this. What we do is we multiply this 2 in the 3, then we multiply this 2 in 4. But in case you have got 3 plus 2, 5 plus 7, this means this complete needs to multiply with this complete. So for that we have found a way. The way is first you take the first term, multiply with the complete bracket. Then take the second term, multiply with complete bracket and solve it. That's it. So let me write. To multiply such terms, we just need to understand how to distribute. So first we will take this 2x. Then we make a bracket because this 2x multiplying with the complete bracket second one, that is 3x minus 2y. Then we have a plus sign, 3y into complete. Now tell me class, till this point any issue? You want me to repeat this or anything? Please tell me till this point any issue? How I distributed the first bracket over the second? Please tell. Did you got this? Please answer. We are just distributing the first bracket over the second one. So Yashna, you are saying yes, sir. Is this for doubt? You want me to repeat this, Yashna? Rishu, you also? Okay, you got this. Okay. Now it is easy. We have changed the question into monomial into polynomial now. Now again the same process, this 2x will multiply in this and this. Similarly, this 3y multiply in these. So let us start 2x into 3x, then a minus sign, again 2x into 2y plus 3y into 3x minus 3y into 2y. As simple as that. Now just solve it and you will get the answer. Okay, Rishu Sharma is Rachit Sharma. Okay. Now 2 3s are 6x square minus 4xy. Gursharan is saying 6x minus 2y plus 3yx minus 6y square. Gursharan, some mistake is there, beta, please check. Obviously 2 3s are 6 will come, x into x will give you x square. Then minus sign is there, 2 2s are 4, x and y will give you xy plus 3 3s are 9, y into x is yx. Okay, I will correct. Okay, Guru Sharan, please check beta, it will be done very easy. 3 2s are 6 and y into y is y square. So class, this is the answer. Now if you see, we can simplify this. Smriddhi, by mistake I think you have got 3xy, which is wrong. It should have been 9xy, है ना? Please check. Now just solve this further. It will become as plus 1 is larger, so we will get 5xy minus 6y square. This is the answer. Others, please confirm. Is it clear to everyone? If it is clear, I will give you another question so that this concept is clear to you. Okay, I'm giving you another question. Try this one and this time solve it properly. I know you can do it. Sir, we have to do algebraic expressions in second semester. Yes, chapter number 9. It is in second semester only. Let me write the next question for you. Please find the next answer. 3a plus 2b and 7a minus 5b. Please tell me the answer of this multiplication. Sir, I've started second semester work in new notebook. It's okay, beta Ananya. If you have started, it's fine. If you have not started, you have the permission to do in last also. You can utilize the last register for practice in that case. No issue. Try to answer, everyone, try to answer, because if you answer, you are using your complete focus on this class. If you're not answering, you will lose the, sir, it's addition. No, in between it is plus and minus, but totally these two are binomials getting multiplied. This is a multiplication of binomials. This is a binomial, this is a binomial, we are multiplying them. Okay, Vardhan is giving the answer. 3a square plus 15ab plus 14ab plus 10b square. Answer from his side. Then Harshul is giving 21a square minus 15ab minus 14ba plus minus 10b square. See how many different answers are coming. Okay, Kriti is also saying 21a square minus ab minus 10b square. Same answer came from Hiteshri. Same answer came from Vansh. Okay, Aryan giving the same answer because minus 15ab plus 14ab is minus ab only. So Aryan giving the same answer. Yuvraj giving the same answer. Vardhan, Sir, my also is 21a square. So Vardhan wants to change this one, but still Vardhan, you will have a different answer from others. Krishna is saying everything same, but Krishna is saying it is plus AB. Okay. Now let us see. We have seen enough. Rudra is saying the same answer. Okay. So let's see. Let's see. Ananya 21a square minus 15ab plus Ananya, it is same. Okay, because minus 15 plus 14 is minus 1 only. So let's see. So I think the third one is having the heavy weight on it. So it may be the correct answer. So let's check and find out ourselves. So I will distribute the first bracket over the second. How? Very simple. I will take the first term of first bracket. I will distribute on second bracket. Similarly, I will take this plus sign. Then I will take the second term of first bracket and distribute this on second bracket. Now we are ready. So is this chapter similar to linear equations? Yes, somewhat similar, but not completely. This is like a base for that chapter. Okay. Now let's see. 3 sevens are 21. A into A square. Then we have a minus sign. 3 fives are 15. A into B is AB. Then we have a plus sign. 2 into 7, 14. B into A, BA. Then we have minus sign. 2 into 5, 10. B into B, B square. Now, further solving. So all those who said third option, they all are correct. Krishna, by mistake, you have found this AB as positive. AB will come negative only because 15 is negative and 14 is positive. Okay. Yes, Joel, correct, beta. Smriddhi, beta, please check Smriddhi. You are saying 15AB plus 14AB. You are saying both positive. Both are not positive. One is positive, one is negative. Okay, negative only you said. Okay. Smriddhi, I think you are able to understand now. Now, are you ready for little bit tough? Yes, sir. Ready for tough one? Huh? Find this one, please. So a cube plus 2b square, a cube minus 2b power 5. This is 2. Please find the answer. A square plus 2b square, a cube minus 2b power 5. Last question for today. Take your time, solve it and tell me the answer. A square plus 2b square multiplied with whole bracket a cube minus 2b power 5. Okay, Rachit. Yasna is saying I couldn't understand the previous one. Okay, Yasna, actually I just moved to the next question. Try to solve this one. If you have solved this, you can easily understand that also. Try to solve. Hiteshri gave the answer. A5 minus 2a square b5 plus 2b square a cube minus 4b power 7 by Hiteshri. Krishna is saying a power 5 minus a square b square plus 2b square a cube plus 2b power 7. Okay. This is by Krishna, by Teshri. Sir, please this one. एक second. No answers coming. Vardhan a power 5 minus 2b. एक second. इतने answers. One second, one second. Vardhan is saying a power 5 minus 2b square a square 2b square a cube. It is different, so I have to write down. Vardhan saying a power 5 minus 2b square a square plus 2b square a cube minus 4b power 7. Krishna is saying now again a power 5 minus a square b power 5. Okay. By Krishna plus 2b square a cube plus 2b power 7. Ananya is saying a power 5 minus 2b power 5a. Okay, a little different from others. A square 2b square a cube minus 4b. Okay, okay, okay. Joel is also giving. Okay, many of you gave the answer. Harshul is saying same as Krishna. Okay, this is nice. Huh? Krishna is saying my is Vardhan 1. Okay, so that means people are putting weight on Vardhan's answer. Let us check whose answer is correct. Rachit is saying, okay, let us see. Same way we will distribute this one. So a square multiplied with a cube minus 2b power 5 plus 2b square bracket a cube minus 2b power 5. Now let's distribute it very easily. This into this. As bases are same, power will add. 2 plus 3 is 5. Then we have a minus sign. First 2 will remain. Then a square will remain. B power 5 will come. Then we have plus sign. 2 into 1 is 2 only. Then we have b square a cube. Then we have minus sign. 2 2s are 4. Then b square and b power 5 become b power 7. I hope some of you have got the correct answer. Yes, I think this one is the correct one. Huh? This one is the correct one. So the correct answer is a power 5 minus 2a square b power 5 plus 2a cube b square minus 4b power 7. Those who have got this answer, they all are correct. They all are fine. Yashna, now tell, is this question clear to you? Sir, more difficult. Okay. Yes, sir. So for more difficult, I am giving you a question. You can try as your homework. Tomorrow we will discuss this one. This is your homework. You have to try this one as your homework. Okay. In this case, I have taken a binomial into trinomial. So just try this question today at your home. Tomorrow we will discuss this. And meanwhile, you have to try 9.4 exercise because you all are ready for that. Okay. As your homework, you can try 9.4 and try this question also. Yes, same method it is. Nothing changes there. Okay. So let me stop the recording. I think you all have taken the screenshot. Have you all taken the screenshot, beta?